So I see the European renewable strategy as a really fantastic opportunity for Europe, both to accelerate the energy transition and also to use the transition as a way of recovering from the pandemic. So I think Europe now has a unique opportunity in terms of developing its renewable potential in general, but in particular the utilization of the offshore wind resources within the European Union. So I think my expectations is a strong commitment to developing and accelerating the offshore wind potential, a strong desire to see energy collaboration across European borders, opportunities to capture the potential that we see in floating wind, which is going to be a big part of Europe's offshore wind strategy going forward. So the Dogger Bank project is the biggest offshore wind project ever developed anywhere in the world. And we're developing it on the offshore, the UK. This is a game where scale really matters. In addition to size, I think we're seeing the importance of technology innovation. So in the Dogger Bank project right now, we are deploying the biggest turbines that has ever been developed in this industry so far. We see the impact that that has on cost going down, but we also see the effects that it's having on job creation and value creation in a supply chain that has been developed in Europe over many, many years. So we think that around 80% of the world's offshore wind resources will require floating solutions because of the water depths. And quite a lot of that potential is inside of the EU's borders. So what we think is required to develop it are 2 or 3 things. The first one is to provide access to that acreage and have a systematic approach where we make floating acreage available for industrial development. Secondly, we will need initial support regimes in place to stimulate those investments. And thirdly, we really need to access some big projects where we can capture the benefits of scale in this technology.